Congratulations, class of 2020. It's an incredible honor to be sharing this experience with you today. Even though I graduated from NYU in 2003, I still vividly remember that day in June when I celebrated with my colleagues, friends, and family. I know how hard you have worked to get to this moment, and although you are not able to be together in person, be proud of what you have accomplished and enjoy the day. There are parallels between my time at NYU and yours. The tragic events of 9/11 occurred shortly after my program started. I watched New York slowly pick up the pieces and begin the healing process over the course of those 2 years. And while not nearly as devastating as COVID-19, SARS dominated the headlines during the winter months of my second year and forced the cancellation of our class trip to China. Life doesn't give us control over these circumstances. There is no doubt that you are graduating during a time of great economic and societal uncertainty. Unemployment stands at record levels. Globalization is under siege. Populism is stronger than ever. Racism and intolerance surround us. Our trust in institutional authority is rapidly waning. While our situation today may seem daunting to you, you must remember that we do have control over our choices. And you as a graduate have some choices to make, both personal and professional. The American poet and civil rights activist Maya Angelou wrote in Letter to My Daughter, "You may not control all the events that happen to you, but you can decide not to be reduced by them." You and I had the privilege of attending a preeminent organization of higher learning, New York University. It is an organization that strives to have a global impact and to bring citizens of the world closer together. How are you as a leader going to further that impact and bring your communities closer together? In the future, you will be called upon as leaders to model behaviors that reflect the values of your organization. And every one of you participating in this ceremony today is a leader, whether or not your professional title reflects that. So here are my questions for you. Who are you as a leader? How is your leadership going to reflect your values and beliefs? How are you going to shape your work environment, your home environment, and the world around you? Let us not be pessimistic about the situation around us. Rather, let's be optimistic that you as leaders will bring change to your organizations and to your communities. Take this moment to think about your legacy and the impact that you want to have. Legacies are not accidental. They are crafted by our words and actions over time. Have the courage to define your legacy and the conviction to remain true to the words and actions that will shape it. The last few months have brought significant change to my organization. COVID-19 brought leaders at all levels together in a way that we've never experienced. We quickly made decisions based on clear guiding principles that emphasize patient and staff safety. We didn't strive for perfection, but committed to rapid execution and continuous improvement. We communicated with unprecedented frequency and transparency. Without question or complaint, we worked in unfamiliar areas. In hindsight, we did things we didn't know we were capable of doing. And now we must face the real health inequities in our society that COVID-19 so painfully highlighted. We must confront the racism and bias that exist within our own organization. We have started a dialogue, but a dialogue without action will not lead to the progress that we need to make. In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, you may never know what results come of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no results. The reality of today may force you to change your personal and professional plans. Traditional career paths continue to steadily erode. We all have plans. I am a chief strategy officer and a hospital president. I make plans all the time. That's my job. But as an openly gay man, did I plan on running a children's hospital in a very conservative Midwestern state? No. Am I happy with my decision? You bet I am. This has been one of the most rewarding experiences in my career. It has also opened my eyes to new ways that I can impact society. The point is, life brings an endless stream of curveballs. It's an adventure and not a carefully crafted script. You will face unexpected situations as you move through your life and career. How are you going to react to the curveballs that come your way? When doubt surfaces and you wonder whether you will get through, stop and ask yourself, what if I have to get through this? What if I can get through this? What if I want to get through this? You don't know what you are capable of doing. We are all capable of so much more. Have the grace to give yourself that credit. Trust yourself. Be curious. Be flexible. Take a risk. Embrace diversity. Don't run away from it. And be grounded in your values. Let me leave you with some words from Oprah Winfrey. Do the one thing you think you cannot do. Fail at it. Try again. Do better the second time. The only people who never tumble are those who never mount the high wire. Congratulations, class of 2020. Be proud of your accomplishments and know that your journey continues. Make the most of it.